Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first, the government is stepping in to stop the illegal sale of lots in Naseberry Villa, St. Catherine, after hundreds of residents who currently occupy lands say they paid over millions of dollars to people claiming to be representatives of the housing ministry.
A member of Parliament for West Central St. Catherine, Dr. Christopher Tufton, says he will be working with the Housing Agency of Jamaica to help regularize those affected.
Krista Campbell has the story.
Naseberry Villa in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, a community under development but already complete with electricity supply.
When I went over there, I saw these strong concrete light posts and high tension wires. And I just assumed that these light posts and high tension wires were a relationship established by JPS and the people, only to be told by JPS that them no have no record or history of putting up those posts and those wires.
The MP stressed that it's a dangerous situation that some residents have unknowingly found themselves in.
We don't know if it was run in a way that could feed all the houses that are being developed. So when you start to have short circuit and house catch fire and people get shocked and all that, what JPS is saying, listen, we don't really know how that goes.
It's one of the reasons for a sensitization meeting on Wednesday where an even bigger issue was discussed.
Because I also hear say people over there are sell land who don't own the land. And I also hear that people are run bulldozer and a cut road and calling names. One of the time I get a call that the people are calling my name, say me I sell land over there.
Those who are selling the land that don't own the land are actually committing an illegal act. And that is subject to, it's a police matter, and if we have to involve the police, we will.
The Housing Agency of Jamaica, HAJ, says the lands which were originally being developed under the now defunct Operation Pride project are registered in the Prime Minister's name and should only be purchased from an HAJ representative.
If you have paid monies to these bodies, persons, entities, I don't know what they're calling themselves, you need to get your money back. There are some situations where persons have gotten their money back and then come back and pay to the agency.
The MP says about a third of the over 360 occupied lots have official titles, but he'll be working with the HAJ to conduct a census so the informal residents can legitimately own their lands.
You're going to have to share with us some information on how they became to be on the land and who they paid, or which entity they paid, because HAJ will have to understand all of that in order to do what is necessary to regularize them.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.